All right, fifth graders. Today, for this lesson, you are practicing simplifying algebraic expressions, just like the last assignment, except now we have what's called unlike terms. So, if you remember from the last assignment, you had things like 3x plus 5x, which would give you 8x, or you had 10y minus y, so then we get 9y. Okay? These have the same variable, so we say that they are like terms. We can combine them. They're alike. It's the same variable, the same letter. Now, sometimes we get expressions like 3x plus 1 plus 4x plus 6. Now, some of these have variables and some of them don't. So let's think about what this means. Remember, 3x means I actually have 3 x's. Okay, so then I have a 1. Now I have 4 x's. And then I have 6 more. Okay? I can't combine this 1 and these x's because this is an x and this is a 1. However, I can put together all of those x's. So then together I have 7x, and then I also have 7, just number, I guess you could say. We have the variables and then we have the numbers. So we combine them separately, and then this is my final answer. Still an expression. It has two different parts because of the whole like terms thing. Let's take a look at some of the ones you'll do on your worksheet. So, if I have 5x plus 7x minus 4, I can combine the x's, 5x plus 7x, so I get 12x. This minus 4 has nobody to go with, so it just stays all by itself, minus 4. Now, if I have something like this, we have to look carefully because we have a plus and we have a minus. So I have 8n, and then this minus goes with the 4n. So I have 8n minus 4n gives me 4n, and then I still have plus 5. That was the only number. If I look at 13, I again have a minus. So let's find the ones that have the variables. So I have a positive 8k, just 8k, minus 5k. Well, 8 minus 5 is 3, so I have 3k. Here I have, so let's switch to a different color just so it's really obvious. 3. Oh, my pen. Hold on. There we go. I have 3 plus 9 is plus 12. Okay? So we keep our numbers and our variables separate. That's the first thing to keep in mind. We combine the variables. We combine the numbers. And then pay attention to adding or subtracting. And it always goes with the symbol right before it. So like if I look at 14, I have, I'm going to switch back to blue for my variables. So I have 10w minus 3w. So I have 7w. Now I have 11 minus 8 is 3. So I get plus 3. If you're still confused, let me know. I'm more than happy to do more examples. Your word today is Kamala. If you have no idea what that is or who that is, you will find out through the phrase this week. Kamala is the word today. Again, let me know if you have any questions. Good luck.